how to make your Docusign signature bigger. So here I'm gonna click on the signature option. I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna go to draw and I'm gonna sign it. Now to make it bigger, you simply just drag it across the screen like that. And here you have your signature. Now you can click on the stamp icon right here. And with the stamp icon, you can pretty much do it across the whole page. So let's do this. Now for this, you need to upload an image. I recommend you just go to Paint like that. So there you go. This can be the signature. Let's save this. And now let's upload the image we just saved. Let's go next. Let's adopt. And now we have the signature across the entire screen. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.